Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida left on a tour of Europe and North America with security-focused talks on the agenda after his nation's biggest defense policy overhaul in decades. Officials with the US Department of Justice and the SEC are examining transfers between Digital Currency Group and the conglomerate's Genesis subsidiary. The prosecutors with the DOJ have requested interviews and documents from TCG and Genesis, while the SEC appears to be in a similarly early stage of its own inquiry. Hundreds of Tesla owners gathered at the automaker's showrooms and distribution centers in China over the weekend, demanding rebates and credit after sudden price cuts they said meant they had overpaid for electric cars they bought earlier.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 05:30 GMT. The UK's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. Japan's JP Foreign Reserves at 23:50 GMT. The US Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.